Did you know that the meme coin market exploded to over $10 billion in market cap in 2021, proving that funny internet memes can actually turn into serious cash? So, today I want to talk about how I make a whopping $1,700 per week with Memecoins, and how you can potentially replicate my success. It's all about leveraging the power of passive income, and I'm excited to share my strategies with you. The world of Memecoins is often misunderstood, and many people think it's just about creating a funny internet meme, but there's so much more to it. You can generate a substantial income by investing in the right Memecoins and holding them for the long term. In fact, Memecoins have the potential to provide a steady stream of passive income, which is exactly what I've been able to achieve. So, if you're interested in learning how to unlock this financial freedom, then keep watching. So, many people get into Memecoins thinking it's a get-rich-quick scheme. But the truth is, it takes time, patience, and effort to build a successful strategy. A lot of folks get discouraged when they don't see immediate results. But I'm here to tell you that slow and steady wins the race. One of the biggest misconceptions about Memecoins is that they are just a joke, and they don't have any real value. But the reality is, a lot of these coins have been gaining traction and increasing in value over time. Another challenge people face is the volatility of the market. We've all seen the crazy price swings in the crypto world, and it can be intimidating. But the key is to educate yourself on risk management strategies and diversification. When it comes to Memecoins, people often think it's all about speculating on the next Bitcoin. But the truth is, it's about building a solid foundation and understanding the underlying fundamentals of the market. Many people underestimate the power of community engagement in the world of Memecoins. The community is what drives the value and adoption of these coins, so it's essential to stay connected and up-to-date on the latest developments. A lot of beginners get caught up in the hype and FOMO, and they end up investing in coins that don't have any real substance behind them. But the key is to do your own research and due diligence, and not get caught up in the emotional roller coaster of the market. Another mistake people make is they don't have a clear strategy in place. They just buy coins randomly without thinking about their overall portfolio and risk management. It's also important to understand that Memecoins are not just about making a quick buck. They are a long-term game, and you need to be patient and disciplined to achieve success. When I first started investing in Memecoins, I made a lot of mistakes. I would get caught up in the hype and excitement of a new coin, and I wouldn't do my due diligence. But over time, I learned from my mistakes and refined my strategy. I started to focus on coins that had a strong community, a solid use case, and a clear roadmap for the future. I also diversified my portfolio and spread my risk across multiple coins. I also learned the importance of staying up to date with market trends and news. I make it a point to check in every day and stay informed about what's going on in the world of Memecoins. As I continued to refine my strategy, I started to see the results. My investments began to pay off, and I started to make a steady income from my Memecoin portfolio. The pivotal moment for me came when I invested in a coin that had been quietly building its community and technology for months. It was a sleeper hit, and it ended up increasing in value by over 10 times. That's when I realized the power of Memecoins and the potential for passive income. I was making thousands of dollars per week, and it was life-changing. Since then, I continued to refine my strategy and adapt to the changing market conditions. I've learned to stay flexible and adjust my approach as needed. So, what are the key takeaways from my journey? Firstly, it's essential to educate yourself on the world of Memecoins and understand the underlying fundamentals. Secondly, you need to have a clear strategy in place and avoid getting caught up in the hype. Thirdly, community engagement is crucial, and you need to stay connected with the community to stay ahead of the curve. Finally, patience and discipline are key. Memecoins are a long-term game, and you need to be willing to put in the effort to achieve success. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've learned something new about the world of Memecoins. If you have any experiences or tips to share, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in to my next video for more tips on crypto investing.